So let me show you another one, and this time we want to put the 3 strips into it. If the cardboard separate properly, I'm gonna be able to show you how the bead is going to look like if you put the 3 strips into it. Let's see. We're gonna separate the cardboard like so. The reason that I separate the cardboard strips like that is because if you do not do that and you try to roll that cardboard strip into the tube, let me show you what happened. See right here, it gets like this, really thick bumps, and we do not want it that. So that is the reason I separate the cardboard strips. Just like that. Hopefully I'm lucky enough to get another 2 strips like I did in the first one. We see about that. When this one gets very thin, grab more like this so it'll get more into this side. If this one gets thin, do the same thing. Just like that, and then you get your 3 strips. Now, we're gonna put it together, just like I told you. All you need to do is make sure you get it inside the one that has the black color like that, or whichever color your paper is. All right, now we're gonna put 3 strips into the tube. Slide right there, and then we're going to roll it. Just make sure your bottom strips are inside the color one, not outside, because we do not want that color out. We just want the black color. If you like this color, something like that, you just cut it right here and put the glue on it. If you like it black, you cut it right here and put the glue on it, and that's that. Because you decide your size that you like it, and you decide the color that you like it. I leave that up to you guys. All right, like you see, even if it have the 3 strips into it, it's flat and nice, and that is what we want. Just like that, like that. See right here, what I get, I do not like it. So what I'm going to do, it's gonna be half of this part over here of black, right? And I want more. So what I'm going to do, this strip is not as long as I want it. So what we're going to do is get back into the box, into the strips, and then cut one more. We cut it all the way, like so. Is this end right here? If you use your 3 strips, it's going to be half of this and half of this, and we do not want it that. If you like it, go ahead and use it. If not, you can choose different color. So I wanted this color right here into my tube. So I'm going to cut this much, and I'm going to try to grab it like that. Make sure it's not going to get unfold because it's nicely fold at this point, and that is what we want. So we cut this paper kind of up to here because we want to have enough. So whichever end up black or this nice brown, we can keep it like that. So now what we're going to do, we need to take all the white color on it because we do not like it. All right, so what we're going to do is just cut it straight as you can, and then we're going to add this. So we're going to add it. Just like that, and make sure it goes all the way around. If not, then you need to cut another piece. Now it's going to be enough. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cut these other strips all the way in as lower as you can because we wanted this one to be very thin so it can get stuck into the bead properly. All right, I just got enough to cross. It's just perfect. See, you can get like 2 inches more if you want to change the color of your tooth. Okay, that's all you need to do. Hold it right there and do this movement, going to make sure that the tooth is going to be sealed properly. That is what we want. And then put the rest of the glue into the size of the paper bead. All right, and there you have it. It's a beautiful size of tooth, and it has a really little hole. Really nice. And then I got what I want, which is this strip right here, the brown line too. So I got what I want, and I love my paper bead. Looks like that. If needed more glue, you can go ahead and put a little bit more and smash it in, just like that. Like that. And there you have it, a beautiful paper bead. In this case is the form of a tooth. Looks like that. It's hard for the glue to get stuck into it, so if you don't like it, it gets mushy, just stick it out like that. All right, it's better. And there you have it. That's your paper bead right here. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. And obviously you guys gonna have this size, but let me show you. This one have 3, this one have 2 right here, and then this one have 1. So there you have it. It's 3, 2, 1. 3 sizes right there. All right.